Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of GoodNotes 6 and Apple's Freeform, two of the most talked about productivity tools on Apple devices in 2026. Whether you're a student, a professional, a creator, or just someone who loves to organize your ideas, this comparison will help you decide which app deserves your time. So let's get started. We start with GoodNotes 6, your next-gen digital notebook. GoodNotes has been one of the most beloved digital note-taking apps for years, especially among iPad users with Apple Pencil. But with the launch of GoodNotes 6, things have grown way smarter. Beyond basic writing and annotation, GoodNotes now uses AI features like handwriting, spell check, and math assistance to boost your productivity and accuracy. It's a true evolution in digital note-taking, not just a place to scribble, but a workspace where your notes can be searchable, smart, and interactive with templates, exam practice tools, and more. What makes GoodNotes especially powerful is how it blends the feel of real handwriting with digital enhancements. You can convert handwritten math to editable text, you can use intuitive gestures like scribble to erase, and you can organize everything into folders and notebooks exactly how you want them. Now let us talk about Freeform, Apple's infinite canvas brainstorm station. Apple Freeform, on the other hand, is not a traditional notebook app. It's more like a digital whiteboard. Think of it as a large workspace where your ideas don't have to be limited by pages or a structure. You can toss in text, photos, PDFs, sticky notes, sketches, diagrams, links, literally everything, anywhere on a boundless canvas. Freeform is all about flow and creativity. It's perfect for brainstorming, for planning, for mind mapping, mood boards, and messy idea dumping. It doesn't force a strict page layout or notebook system. Instead, it lets ideas grow as big as you want on one canvas that syncs via iCloud. Now, what are the main features of these platforms? We start with GoodNotes. AI-enhanced writing, handwriting spell check features, text paraphrasing, and smart math help. There are also structured notebooks. You can create organized notebooks, folders, and templates. There are multimedia supports. You can import photos, PDFs, audio, and record or sync audio with your notes. Handwriting recognition. You can convert handwriting to searchable text and editable typed text. Wide pen tools. You can use multiple pen types, highlighters, lasso, shape recognition, and rulers. And there's a cross-platform sync. It's available to sync across iPad, iPhone, Mac, and you can also use it on Windows and Android. So GoodNotes is structured. It is ideal for people who think in notebooks, in chapters, pages. That structure helps when you're reviewing later or when you're studying or preparing for exams. How about the features of Freeform? There's an infinite canvas. There are no pages, no boundaries, or preset grids, just one large visual space. Multimedia boards. You can add text, you can add pictures, videos, links, and PDFs, even sticky notes. You can sketch and draw as well. You can use built-in brush styles and Apple Pencil support for freeform drawing. And there's real-time collaboration. You can invite up to 100 people to work on the same board via iCloud and messages. There's deep Apple integration. It syncs across iPhone, iPad, and Mac Vision Pro, so it's free for all Apple users, not Windows. So, having considered this, it's obvious that Freeform excels in brainstorming sessions, collaborative planning, and visual organizers where the layout doesn't matter as much as the flow of ideas. So now, what is the pricing of these platforms like? There's the GoodNotes Teams, where you have a 30-day free trial. It costs $10 US. And there's the GoodNotes Enterprise, where you chat with the customer support team so that they can give you a customized pricing for use. But of course, you can take advantage of the basic note-taking free tier with up to 3 files. But if you want better and long-term usage, you need to enter the subscription, the priced tier. How about for Freeform? As earlier mentioned, it's available only for Apple users. So on App Store, the pricing is clearly indicated that it is free. It's completely free and comes with built-in recent iOS users, iPad OS users, and Mac OS users. There's no premium tier or any hidden fee. So if you have a compatible Apple device, Freeform is ready to use without paying a cent. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros, the GoodNotes. Structured notebooks for deep organization, AI features that boost quality and efficiency, and it supports text, handwriting, audio, and multimedia. And the pros of Freeform: completely free with no subscription, ultimate flexible workspace for creative mind, and seamless collaboration via the Apple ecosystem. How about the cons? For GoodNotes, some plans may feel pricey if you only take casual notes, and the AI features may be overkill for simple note takers. And the cons of Freeform: it lacks structured notebooks and deep organizations, and it's Apple only, no Android or Windows support. So which one wins? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're someone who takes serious notes, organizes large notebooks, studies for exams, uses handwriting conversations, and you want AI help, then GoodNotes 6 will most likely be the better choice because its features are built for deep work and structured productivity. But if your workflow is creative, visual, collaborative, or open-ended, and you don't want to pay a dime, then Freeform is phenomenal. Its unlimited Canvas and Apple ecosystem integration makes it perfect for brainstorming, project planning, mood boards, storyboarding ideas, and creative exploration. And that's it on the comparison of GoodNotes 6 and Freeform. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Notability, Microsoft OneNote, and Nebo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.